Where is that? I can't get it. Oh, there it is.
Let's have a look.
I'm zooming, Benny. I know, it looks like someone's face, doesn't it?
It looks like wrapped up and leant against the wall.
Oh no, I've lost it.
What's that? What? Get off me, you fucking dick! That just hurt my foot.
Stamp on his foot.
Break his leg.
Damn it, I didn't get it.
You can't level the bomb control. You see that? You see that fucking white tissue though on the
Leveling, Benny.
That is where we should head.
Oh, fucking belly.
Ben's investigating.
Ben investigating! What's that shit?
What we got? Oh, it's close to my feet. What is it? Oh my god.
I did pick it up and put it on your mop.
It's just like blanket and stuff, isn't it?
Blanket.
What then?
Right, blanket.
Hey, you two motherfuckers.
You've got two Blair Witchy, innit?
I'm gonna shoot.
Andy with the camera. It is Blair Witchy.
Oh, this is actually my new Doom game. Ding 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 ding.
Oh, that's enough fucking.
Where's that gone? And
Did you bring any pellets?
Mum, fetch me some berries. Where are we, people? Ben. I can't really see where I'm going. Ben, why have we come here today?
Well, look, perfect.
We're... Ben, stop picking your nose. Oh, let's have a drag on that.
Yeah, say that anyway, because that's quite funky.
Is that your jumper, Ben?
I'm fucking tooting on that, mate.
Fuck you, pal.
And tell him off. Oh, you fucking knob.
Smack me around the head with it.